Hey guys, welcome back to another Find Your Solution video, guys. And in this video, we're going to be discussing how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 online and offline. Now, I want to talk about the offline part here, guys. So online, you can play if you have steady internet. It's really easy to play. But offline, okay, well, I'm just going to say it because, look, it's not available, okay? You cannot play a Black Ops 6 offline. The reason is this. They actually require you to have uh, be online all the time. And if you have a good internet connection, then it's fine. But the reason they're giving for this is that they actually use texture streaming. So they don't want you to have, a big file size, okay? So you don't have to download all of the textures and all of the part of the game. They actually help you to just stream the games while you're playing it. So it improves the visuals while having a lower, consuming lower storage space. So you cannot actually play it offline. I know some people want to just play it offline, story mode, campaign mode, but it is not possible, guys. So I hope you appreciate the honesty. And if you do, guys, you can hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Subscribe to Find Solutions, and I'll see you guys next time.